Hey, my name's Raul and I work for Renovation. I'm the interior designer here. So I have always had a passion for design even as a young kid. I used to move stuff around, help my mom decide where to place things, and I would always move little things when I didn't like where they were at. So I've really had a passion from a young age. What I enjoy about being an interior designer is being able to help clients achieve their design goals and maximize their workflow in kitchens, bathrooms, and any areas of the home. It is truly satisfying to be able to help them achieve those goals. I have been with Renovation for 2 years, going on 3. Recently, one project that I worked on was a kitchen job where we removed the breakfast nook and then we made a huge kitchen with a enormous island that just suits the client and is very flexible for seating, events, and a lot of different other things. If you're thinking about working with a designer, I would say go for it. They can help you from start to finish and help you achieve all those goals that you might have thought were never possible.